guys, it's Seth. I'm the summer intern here for TREC Roofing. I heard about TREC through Facebook. I was scrolling through one day and I saw an advertisement to join the team. Thought it would be a great opportunity, so I applied and I was right. Coming into TREC, I had no experience. Being here, I've learned a lot of skills that I can carry to the future. Here at TREC, everybody is extremely motivated to work hard. We also are all always here for each other when we need it. And I really enjoy the desire to grow that everybody has. We're all ready to take the company to the next step. I've made a lot more money than my previous summer jobs. They've been able to teach me a lot about business skills and sales skills, which have helped me reach my full potential. I would definitely recommend this position to my friends or family. This position has given me many great skills that I can take back to college and just in life.